Yeah, so when I've been dead for years, and my bones have turned to dust, will the earth recall my spinning mind of flesh is lust? Will it spare a thought for the drinks that I've had, the hours that I toiled, or the shut up on my back? Will it speak of this time I gave? Remember the love I made? Where I lay forgotten, just another on my grave. Yes, I'm asking these questions cause it's one I'm not embarrassed. We holding on life matter because the alternative who can bear it. Trading my existence for some extra what we work. Cause if it's the present sky, got lost in the amount of dirt. Lay beside the grave of dirt cause I was plan ahead. Will the earth get back? The moment skipped and life and night and day. Years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds. Oh, I chase the wind, but I cannot catch it. Like normal days, birthdays, holidays, reunions. Oh, I chase the wind, but my pursuit is useless. Yeah, all my life I'm out to nothing more than anticipation of weekends. All day, doggy paddling in the deep end. Technically my flow, but I look close to the drowning and sink beneath the waves of motion cause they were too great a challenge. In the school's middle school humor, I'm necessitated before the end. But then I'm forced back in the showers to find the courage to drown again. Fuck that. Years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds. Oh, I chase the wind, but I cannot catch it. Like normal days, birthdays, holidays, reunions. Oh, I chase the wind, but my pursuit is useless. Yeah, see, I never wanted the power or people to do my bidding. Never had no mind for riches, cause that crusty male fitted. Not that I'm a saint, man, those things that sound shitty, but the peace that I seek's too good, a gift that haven't given. See, I love that have a garden that's checked down by the sea, where all who wanna be free can find food and a place to sleep. I don't want wealth to take the cheap, and clearly don't interest me. I want a mountain away for play, anywhere I can be drank deep. But I've been baffled by these shackles placed around my hands and feet, training my suffocation for a blue to air to breathe. And if it don't get better, look for solace in the drink. Girl, a job, a family, all the things that I believe. Might for one moment, it's like my lust for heart. For out the great consume of nothing better for which to hold. Years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds. Oh, I chase the wind, but I cannot catch it. It's like normal days, birthdays, holidays, reunions. Oh, I chase the wind, but my pursuit is useless. Years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds. Oh, I chase the wind, but I cannot catch it. It's like normal days, birthdays, holidays, reunions. Oh, I chase the wind, but my pursuit is useless. Yeah, where you at? Check it. Saving me from the depths, Lord. I've been drowning for too long. Give me when new breath, Lord. Gentle in the storms are calm. Say, give me from the depths, Lord. I've been drowning for too long. Oh, give me with new breath, Lord. Gentle in the storms are calm. It's hard to believe when I'm worried about God now. I can't, cause I shut out the spirit for years now. I just went in the streets. You look good, just to limit me, but the words he slipped to me. Now I'm getting older, and restless as these years pass, falling like the leaves of autumn, breaking free to achieve death. So I'm reaching out, cause demons seem to keep me down. Praying that some peace be found, the teaching somehow reached me now, and got me singing out the sacred words that come now found. Once was lost, but now I'm found, and just like John, I live with doubts. So open the heavens, take back your wayward son. I wanna believe the lies of lust, but I see finally I need love. Saving me from the depths, Lord. I've been drowning for too long. Give me with new breath, Lord. Gentle in the storms are calm. Say, bring me from the depths, Lord. I've been drowning for too long. Oh, give me with new breath, Lord. Gentle in the storms are calm. Told myself when I finish the house, I made time to be at peace. But now I've seen my vows of approval as false to affirmation. I see you trying desperately quiet the child within me, but I fear I'm not the means. The ease is alien heart, or silence is afraid to scream. Looking for remedies in these poisons that I swallow by the bottle. Don't want to wallow, but it's become so easy to follow. Wherever my flesh leads me, the greed it seems to feed me with anxious energy. At the end of the day, no one needs me, or at least that's how it seems.